favorite farm animal is a chicken. Chickens are pretty cute and they feel really soft. They're super cute. My favorite animal is a pig. The animals love us. I'm vegan because I don't want to eat any animals. It just makes me feel sad, and I think they shouldn't be locked in cages, and I wouldn't drink milk from a cow because it's for the babies, not us. We have our own milk, not from cows. I'm vegan because the animals want to live. They want to live in their home. Eating animals is not fun. I don't want to kill lives.